Alright guys, back on the Jeep again today. Gonna be switching that alternator all the way down there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It's at the most left pulley. Just gotta get to it through here. Take the air box off. I took the battery out just because the Jeep has been sitting for over a week and it's been minus 30. So I just don't want the battery to freeze. But yeah, I'm gonna just be recording this with my GoPro and I'll make a time lapse because I just don't want to take the time to explain everything because it is freezing. Get this done as fast as possible. Got a little heater, and well, I'll post a link in the description of someone made a write-up of how to do this. But if you have any questions, just consult that. Well, let's get started. Okay, got the old one out. Doesn't even spin freely like the new Bosch one does. Yeah, it's quite the pain. Where's my light? Actually, the positive broke off of it when I was trying to get it out. You can see right there, so I gotta take that apart. And I had to move the AC lines a little bit. But I get the new one in. Unfortunately, my GoPro died, so I won't be able to record that, but I'll record when it's running to show you guys that it's working. Okay, alternator is in. So a few things different because this is the Sprinter alternator. The 2 bolts that go on the bottom that connect to the engine, I had to feed them in first before bolting it up to the or putting it in place. So what I mean is I had tightened the 2 top bolts just by hand, but with the alternator in place I couldn't get the bottom bolts in between the alternator and the frame. Same thing with this electrical connector here. because it's on the side and not on the back like the Jeep one. Had to put that in first and then put the alternator in place, but the ground bolted up, and I just got the, let's see, throttle body back on. Yeah, right there, right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna, while I actually have everything apart, I'm gonna change the headlights. Got some Phillips bulbs to put in, but we're almost there. Can't wait to start it up. I also have the turbo resonator, but I think I might wait to put that in just because it still is pretty cold out and just don't feel like being out here much longer than I need to. Okay, intercooler piping's back on, our throttle body hose. As you can see through here, the bulbs are really easy to get to with the air box off. Also, let's go this way with the battery out. High beam, low beam. So yeah, and these are the bulbs I'm using. Just the crystal vision for low beams and extreme vision for the high beams. But I'll get those changed up and then put the air box back on, battery in, and be ready to fire up. Okay, everything's in. Battery, air box, everything should be plugged in. Nice white lights, crystal visions. Let's give it a shot. It's been a while, so I'm gonna cycle the glow plugs a few times. Come on. There we go. Get loud. Little battery light on, that's good. So I'm gonna go grab my multimeter and make sure the alternator is actually working and charging the battery. Okay, 14.5 volts, so yeah, it's definitely working. We'll call that a success.